Tired of missing buzzer beaters just because you're not near a TV? Let's unlock the secrets to watching NBA games right on your phone, anytime, anywhere. First, explore your streaming options. The NBA League Pass is your direct line to almost every game. Offering single-game or season-long subscriptions, ESPN and TNT apps often stream nationally televised games, but require a cable or satellite subscription. Login Hulu Live TV, YouTube TV, and Sling TV are great alternatives. Bundling sports channels with other entertainment for a monthly fee. Consider free trials to see which suits you. For League Pass, head to their website or app to compare plans. Decide if you want to follow one team, all teams, or just individual games. Pay attention to blackout restrictions, which might prevent you from seeing games in your local market. Next, optimize your viewing experience in your chosen app. Settings. Adjust the video quality. Higher resolution looks amazing but eats up data if you're on the go. Consider lowering the resolution to save data and avoid buffering. Also, check for options to minimize data usage during playback. Finally, enjoy the game. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface. Look for features like live stats, game replays, and multi-game viewing options. Now you're all set to catch every dribble, pass, and slam dunk right in the palm of your hand. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mobile sports tips.